Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to the 21cm Silicone AirFryers liner basket. This incredible product is a game changer for anyone who loves using their air fryer. Let me tell you why you need this in your kitchen. First of all, it keeps your air fryer clean and mess-free. No more dealing with greasy residue and scrubbing after every use. It's completely dishwasher safe, so you can save time and energy by avoiding hand washing. Not only that, but this silicone basket is heat resistant and food safe. It can handle up to 450° F/230° C for air frying, steaming, and oven baking. You can use it with confidence and peace of mind knowing that it's made from premium, BPA-free, food-grade silicone. The professional design with handles on both sides makes it easy to pick up, and the silicone lines allow for better air circulation and even heat distribution. Your food will cook to perfection in less time, while keeping its integrity and nice look. And the best part? It's not just for air fryers. You can also use it in the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher. It's a versatile and essential kitchen accessory. So, if you want to upgrade your air frying experience and make your life in the kitchen easier, this silicone air fryer liner basket is a must-have. Click the link in the description to get yours today and take your cooking to the next level. Don't miss out on this game-changing product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing product reviews and tips.